Hey, who's this guy? Pete the cat. He's back again. He's rocking in his school shoes. What color are those shoes? They are red. What color is the lunchbox? It's green. Can you touch something red? Good job. All right. The guitar is red and the shoes are red. And the word Pete is red. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. Hey, before we sing, what is this? It's a bus. That's right, it's a bus. Pete's gonna ride the bus to school, I bet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Look, there's the bus again. What color is the bus? The bus is yellow. Yellow. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall in a room filled with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Pete is going to the library. He has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. What is Pete doing? Pete is reading. He's reading. He's reading about dinosaurs. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. What is Pete doing? Pete is eating his lunch. He's eating his lunch with his friends. It can be loud and busy at lunch. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings this song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Hey, what is that? It's an apple. It's a red apple. Yummy, yummy. Look at, what does Pete have? Pete has goldfish crackers. We use those at school, right? Goldfish. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and a tall slide. Where is Pete? Pete is playing on the playground. He's going down the slide. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Say, bye, bus. Pete's mom asks him, what did you do at school today? And Pete says, I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good. Say bye-bye, Pete.